Now we are going to understand multi-head attention deeply. Okay, so in the last video we understood self attention. Okay, now the question is, if attention already works, why do we need multi-head attention? This one. Okay, I already show you this diagram why we need for multi-head attention. Okay, so here we are going to understand why we need. Okay, so in self attention block, okay, self attention lets each word look at all other words. It calculates which word matter more for context, but there is a limitation. Okay. Limitation of attention. Okay, here the limitation of one attention head. So one attention head can focus on only one type of relationship at a time. Okay, language is a complex. Words are related in many different ways. So in the sentence, I love programming. Here I'm going to write, I love programming in Python. Okay, so this is in this sentence, I love programming in Python. One relationship is subject to verb. One relationship is subject to the verb. Another is activity to tool. One head cannot capture all of this well. What is multi-head attention? Okay, so in this diagram, this is multi-head attention. Okay, multi-head attention means we run attention multiple time in parallel. Here we run attention multiple time in parallel. Head each head has its own view of the sentence. Same input, different focus. Think of each attention head as a different lens. Okay, here one head may focus on grammar, another head focus on meaning, another may focus on long range dependency. None of them is smarter, they are just different. Head are not independent thinker. Okay, so here attention heads are not mini brains. They don't reason, they don't vote, they don't debate. They just compute different attention patterns. Okay, and after this, how head are combined? How head are combined? Each head produce an output. Okay, here I have multi head attention. Okay, so we have different. I mean multiple head attention here. Okay, so here each head produce an output. These output are concatenated. Concatenated means joined together, not averaged. Then a linear layer mix them. More head is not equals to more intelligence. More head do not make the model intelligence. Okay, these head, this one. So more head is not equals to more intelligence. Okay, more head do not make the model intelligent. They only increase representational capacity. Too many heads can even waste the compute. Okay, so balance matter. And after this, why multi-head attention matter in practical, or you can say matter in practice. Okay, so multi-head attention helps models understand complex language patterns. This is why transformer work well for translation, summarization, and chat. It improves the flexibility, not reasoning. So that's why we need multi-head attention. Self attention tell the model what to look at. Okay, self attention tell the model what to look at, and multi-head attention here tells the model how many way it can look. Okay, multi-head attention tell the model how many way it look, and self attention tell the model what to look at.